we are not led by him. Izinto esizenzayo, they are not the will of God for us. It must be a prayer. Umthandazo othandazayo. The Lord, empilweni yami makwenzeke yakho incwadi. Ngono kusokola. Ngono kungahambi kakuhle empilweni yami. Kube kwenzeke intando kaThixo. Ngono izinto zingajambeli kakuhle. Kodwa intando kaThixo iyiyo eyenzakalayo. Nathaya. Because intando yethu, it has led us kwindawo singahalelanga ukuba kuzo. So it should be our prayer, not let your will be done. So when he has the will, let's give the scripture to prove it. 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 11. Now they are 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 1. Verse 11.
Sifunda incwadi yabaKorinte okuthoma isahluko 12 verse